Hi, I'm Tulip from Tulip Photography. When I first brought my children home from the hospital, I spent hours just sitting there watching and looking at their tiny little fingers and their tiny little toes. Now they're 5 and 7, and I don't know where the years have gone. But because I got my camera out, I have those little memories. And I wanted to do that for other people. And so when I look at a newborn, I feel like I'm telling a story for that family. When you're coming to the studio, it's often your first time leaving home with your newborn baby. So I've built the studio to ensure that it has all of the necessities that you need to make sure that your stay here goes as smoothly as possible. Before your session, I will send out some information, including a questionnaire. This will help me to design the perfect session for you. I have a wide variety of props to ensure that we create something unique and special for your family. After your session, I will go through your photos and pick the perfect collection that will represent your family at this point in time. Along with newborn sessions, I also include beautiful milestone sessions which capture your baby's personality. I have had over 5 years experience posing newborn babies, so you can rest assured that your baby is in the best of hands.